Good morning, all my dear lovely audience, and most welcome in my new another English practice and new another English tips video. And in this video, I am gonna to share with you and also talk about the beliefs word. I want to describe. I want to talk about believe. What is the important role in your life for learning everything, each and everything for learning believe is a really important things. So in this video I am gonna to talk about, so keep watching, keep listening, and keep supporting me. And if you are new here, then please subscribe my YouTube channel English Boost Biswajit. And if you are new here, then you can visit my YouTube channel and you can saw my other videos in English. Then you can understand how much importance English in today's era. So guys, keep watching. So guys, believe is a word. From this word you get a lots of things like confidence. So when you are want to learn something like language and also other things, except language, you are learning any things, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself is really important sentence. when you are when you are believing yourself, that time you get some confidence to show your experience, show your presentation, show your skill. And believe in yourself, it is really important for learning English. Someone are thinking that when they face some problem, like when they try to speak in any language like English and other language also, they think that if I did mistake, then what will be happen. So don't think about it, the mistake. And it is a part of belief that yes, I can make mistake, but one day this thing will become, that day I will not make mistake any. And it will be comes for your practicing, for your belief. And where you are believing yourself, then definitely your confidence will become for learning everything and also learning English language. So it was a really good video for every English learner. And also these things is really important, believe in yourself. So goodbye, have a nice day, and let's meet with you in my new another video. And if you like my video, then please like it, and don't forget to comment that yes, I am also learning English, then I can understand how many people are ready to learning English. So goodbye, have a nice day, and let's meet with you in my new another video in next day.